Hey guys, what is up? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a mummy, a cartoony mummy. We're gonna be using just this marker and that's it. I hope you find this very easy to do because that's what we're gonna do. So let's get going. Right now I'm gonna draw a circle for the head shape. I'm gonna draw down one arm. The other arm is very simple shapes. It doesn't have to be exact, but just kind of this hanging noodly arm. Down to the torso. And we're going to draw the feet. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a straight line across the head and another pretty big. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw eye shapes inside of there. And I'm going to throw little dots here for the pupil. So then I'm going to shade in, make this dark, the area around. Draw a straight line across here, like the bandages are tying around his head. And I'm going to cut in there, like I'm going to try to vary these lines. They're going to wrap over each other. Not all will wrap over each other, but enough. I'm going to go down the arm and do the same thing. I don't want them to be completely even though, like I said. Some are gonna wrap over each other, some are not. And that should be it. If you really want him to be standing on the ground, you can draw the ground plane. Just draw a flat, here, and if you really want to throw some shadow. But that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this, and I really hope that you share the video and you like it. The Halloween season is my favorite time of year, so I'm probably gonna be posting like crazy because I just want to. The more hits I get, the more I'm gonna share. So please share this video and say hi to me in the comments, guys. Also, if you guys want a live feed, let me know, and I can do that for you. Just give me a holler. I reply to every single comment, so comment at me. Talk to you next time.